Hello, can I trade immediately after funding my account, my swing trading account? Swing trading chart analysis of ROST. Yes, you can start trading automatically once you fund your account. Your money is transferred to your account, is now pending, is now on hold, but under cash section of your account, you can see the cash available in your account. You can start swing trading from there. It could take, at least a week after you transfer money to your account to be readily available for you to start swing trading. Which stocks is the stocks of the day that we are going to analyze is ROST. Let's analyze that using maximum daily chart. Is ROST a buy today? Today is January 5, 2026. When the markets open, is it a buy today? According to based on our long option and swing trading strategy, it is now a buy today. And why is that? Those are the two long option lines that we decided to buy at. However, it is currently the price is close to all-time new high than it is to the valley. It's close to the peak of the mountain than it is to the valley. And it has now come down to those two trend lines for the past 3 years or so. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So those dotted lines are years, and this is 2025, 2024, and 2023. So it touched base with the line, those support line, May 2023. So it has been claiming this support line for a while, pull back to this one in 2025 and continue going up. So we don't know if it's going to pull back to this and continue going up, or if it's going to go lower, or for how long it's going to continue climbing the mountain before it will be done with that cycle and move back down to the valley. We are not entirely sure. This support line though is long as well, but in 2020 also, not even in 2020, it's more like 2023, it crossed through it. So which is kind of unusual. So, but I don't know what happened with the company for this dip, but we are just going to continue observing it. This could be a buying position as well, but we are just going to continue observing it to see if it's going to come back down, or if it's going to lean here and start going up from here. We can try to buy at this valley line. If it pulls back down, we might buy some more, but we are just going to continue observing it. And on that note, we can even highlight this as teal color for 2026 and just continue observing it. What I don't like about this is because it went through the chart, so that's what I don't like about it. But we are going to continue observing it. But for sure, it's more like selling it if you have it in your portfolio, and depending on where you bought it, you are good with the profit you accumulated so far. Now knowing when it's going to be done going up and will decide to come back down, even if to this level, is most selling it if you have in your portfolio to lock in your profits than it is to buy it using long option on swing trading strategy. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. The way we analyze ROST is the way you do chart analysis based on our swing trading strategy. We analyze with that strategy in mind. If you like that strategy and you want to practice swing trading, chart analysis, and ask questions and get feedback, will you please check our online store liberdownload.com for our small group online workshop to see if you are interested to reserve a spot. And any question you may have, feel free to ask it, in the comment section of the video. We'll be happy to reply to the best of our knowledge. Thank you so much for your time. And more videos in this series can be found in the playlist under the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long option line. And we have other swing trading related playlists as well. Thank you.